What's up YouTube? My name is William, and today I want to be doing something a little bit different. And well, I'm going to be turning 14 soon, and I'm not really going to be riding this thing, that's for sure. So well, let's see what we got in store. So you guys have seen this bike. This is my 2018 Honda Ruckus 50cc, and I've done a review on it and a sound comparison, and well, I'm going to be riding it soon. But I wanted something to learn, like, manual for a bike, I guess you could say, since I already have a manual car, but I should do a review soon. And let's go check it out. This is my 2017 Honda Rom 125cc. It's in this cool highlighter yellow, and we've already done a modification just now, and it's this exhaust. And it's $100, and we're going to be seeing how it compares to an actual branded exhaust to this $100 exhaust. So let's see. And also, just to give clarification, this is a Yoshimura branded exhaust, and we're going to be comparing against a Amazon $100 cheap exhaust. Well, and we'll see how it holds up. Sound comparison on the Ruckus. This $100 exhaust. And well, that's the $100 one. And well, that's the end of the sound comparison. In my personal opinion, I do like the Yoshimura exhaust. It sounds nicer. But I want to hear you guys' opinion on what exhaust do you like. Comment down below if you like the $100 one or the Yoshimura branded one. So yeah, that's really it. I'm very excited to go and practice learning on this. This is my first ever manual bike. I'm going to be riding the wheels off of it once I actually get to learn on it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment and like down below, and hope you guys see you in the next video.